So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a slide transition between clips here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up on your device, what I want you to do is actually first off add another clip to your video. So for me right now, I just have a 6-second screen or clip of a white screen. So if you go to the middle, go to the left hand side and press on the plus icon. How about we add a yellow background? I will press on add right there to this design. So as you can tell, it goes yellow. And if you were to press on play, it actually automatically adds a dissolve transition. So if you were to play this right now from yellow, it automatically dissolves right here into a white screen. Now, if you wanted to change that into a slide transition, go to the transition right here and then press on the actual transition itself. So by default, it actually does have dissolve selected. So if you wanted to change that to a slide, press on slide. Now, if you were to press it one more time, you can make it slide the other way. You can make it slide up, make it slide down, whatever the case may be. So if you just want to do a basic slide from left to right, we're going to go ahead and now play this screen. So if we were to play this, so it's yellow background, now it slides to a white background just like that. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add a slide transition between clips here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.